This skill sequence video will cover database access and setup. To get to the databases, start at the college website, www.mchenery.edu, and go to the bottom of that page. This is a screenshot of the bottom of the page, and where you want to click is on Library, where the red arrow is pointing. That will take you to the library web page. This is a screenshot of the center of that page. And the option that you want on the left is Databases, where the red arrow is pointing. When the database option opens, what you want to click on is A to Z Databases, again, where the red arrow is pointing. When the A to Z list opens, select Academic Search Complete, which is near the top of the list. That will connect you to all of the linked EBSCO databases. There are many other options from this list, but EBSCO is the largest and most popular, so I'm going to demonstrate that in this video. Then these skills will connect to any other website database that you look at. When you request a specific database, if you are off campus, you'll need to log in. This is a screenshot of the login page. Just use your regular MyMCC username and password as you would use to register or pay bills or log in to computers on campus. Same username and password. That will bring you back to this search screen, which I have a screenshot here of the top of the main EBSCO search screen. And the first thing that you should do is click on Choose Databases, which is near the top where the red arrow is pointing. And when that option opens, you can just click on the Select All box, which I have a screenshot of here. You can take the time to choose individual databases, but Select All will select all. After you click on Select All and click on OK, you will get back to the main EBSCO search screen. And if you scroll down on the left, you will see several options to choose to refine your search. Make sure that you check right away the two options for full text and for scholarly journals. This will ensure that the results that the database finds will be usable for your research papers at the college level. Then scroll back up to the top where you have the boxes to enter your search terms and proceed to enter your search terms that you have listed and brainstormed. Normally what you would do would be to put the search terms related to the main idea of your paper, the main point of your thesis, on the first line along with any synonyms, and if there's a related search term that goes with the main idea, on the second line along with any synonyms. Then on the third line, you would put the search terms related to your first subpoint and click on Search. And then you would proceed from there with your searching and refining search techniques. Thank you.